Hola, bienvenidos to my channel. Yo me llamo Kelly and this is Adventures in Spanish. And in today's video, we're going to cover the article the in Español. And we're going to do it with el vocabulario around el Día de los Muertos. ¿Listo? Vamos. Okay, so El Día de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead, is a celebration, a Mexican celebration on the 1st and 2nd of Noviembre. And it's a time when people remember their loved ones that have passed away. Okay, it's a big deal in Mexico. Not all Mexican families celebrate, but it is quite a big deal. And because it's such a vibrant and colourful festival, we've acquired some of the costumes and the ideas in the UK. So I thought I'd use that to go over a really basic grammar lesson which that covers the article the in Español. Okay, so by now you probably know that things in Spanish, so nouns in Spanish, are either masculine or feminine. Yep, they're either masculine or feminine. As a general rule of thumb, a thing that ends in o tends to be masculine, and anything that ends in a tends to be feminine. Of course, there are some exceptions to the rule, which you'll see in this video. But generally, that's the way to remember it. Okay, so let's have a little look at one of the main pictures, I suppose, one of the main images that we associate with El Día de los Muertos. So here you go. You can see that this is an altar, yeah, el altar. El altar, this is the altar, yeah. El altar, it's a masculine noun, el altar. And on the altar, we have la vela. La vela, a feminine noun. We also have flores, las flores, or la flor. And you'll notice that flor doesn't end in o or a. Bien, but it is actually a feminine noun, so it's la flor or las flores. One of the typical foods that is eaten around this time of the year, around the time of the year of El Día de los Muertos, is el pan de muerto. El pan de muerto. And on the, or in the altar, because the altar, this is the place where, of remembrance, where the photographs go of the loved ones that have passed away that are being remembered. And you can see that there are many different pictures. And a photo in Español is la foto. La fotografía is complete, the full way of saying it. La fotografía is abbreviated to la foto or las fotos. Muy bien. One of the things that's very well known and associated with El Día de los Muertos is la calavera. La calavera. And there are two reasons that this is associated with El Día de los Muertos. First of all, because it represents a dead person's, yeah, like the face, la calavera. And also they make sweets. So these calaveras can be calaveras dulces, yeah, or calaveras de azúcar. And it comes originally from Katrina. So the icon of El Día de los Muertos is a female, Katrina, and she first started to become more popular in the photo, the painting by Diego Rivera's. Something else that is often associated with El Día de los Muertos is la mariposa monarca, the monarch butterfly. Because every year on the 1st and the 2nd of November, when El Día de los Muertos is being celebrated, these monarch butterflies that have made their incredible migration down from los Estados Unidos arrive in Mexico. And it's said that they carry the spirit and the souls, the almas, of the people that have passed away. So there we go. A quick video, a quick lesson on El Día de los Muertos and some of the vocabulario that is associated with it. Do you celebrate El Día de los Muertos? Will you be dressing up as Katrina maybe for a Halloween festival this year? Let me know in the comments. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.